Hello. In this video, I'll show you the significant impact of upselling on hotels' revenue. In fact, we're having here a graph, a share of total revenue of all markets. And this is a report that was published recently by GuestJoy. And it reviewed a year's worth of upsell data from 25 countries to see where the most demand was from guests. And as you can see here, that wellness represents 26.7% of the upselling revenue, followed by the room upgrade, 23.83%. As you can see from this graph, that the upgrade is very important, especially that not all the hotels, they are having spa. However, all the hotels, they are having rooms. So this is why it's important to focus on room upgrade. And we will see in this example here about Hotel ABC, how can room upsell increase our revenue and how we can measure them. So we're having Hotel ABC, the hotel capacity is 250. And we're having the different room types here, having superior, executive, junior, deluxe, and standard room, and the rack rate for each room category. And also we're having the nights reserved for 1 week. First, in order to start, we will calculate the total nights in case the hotel is fully booked. So it's 250, the capacity per day, times 7. So the total nights that we can sell per week, it's 1,750. Then we have to calculate the revenue, which is the reserved revenue. It's equal the rate times the room nights. Okay, and then here we calculate the total revenue by doing the sum of all revenues we're having. Then we will calculate the ADR, or the average daily rate. It's the total revenue divided by the number of room nights reserved. And also we will calculate the RevPAR, or the revenue per available room. In fact, you can at any time go and check the videos that I have already published about the basic hotel metrics. So going back here, the revenue per available room, it's the total revenue divided by the total available room nights. Now, the hotel implemented an upselling plan. This upselling plan, it's based to upsell each room to a one higher category. Okay, to one level higher category. It means from standard to deluxe, from deluxe to junior suite, and so on. However, instead of paying $50 in order to be upgraded from standard to deluxe, the guest will pay $30. The same, instead of paying $60 to upgrade from deluxe to junior suite, the guest can pay $40. Now we will see how many were upgraded. And in order to see the impact of upgrade of upselling only, we have the same room nights. However, what changed, it's the availability, and it's the booked according to different categories. So as you can see, standard room, they were 460 booked. However, actual, they were 435. It means the difference, it was upgraded to deluxe. So it's 460 minus 435. Okay, and here now in the deluxe we're supposed to have 250 plus 25, so 275. However, we're having 255. It means the difference, it was upgraded to junior suite. So we do it here, 250 plus what was upgraded from standard minus what was actually booked, in order to see how many they were upgraded to junior suite. Also, we do the same for executive and for superior as well. Like this, we can see, in order to make the sum, in order to see how many room nights were upgraded, 58 room nights were upgraded. Now, in order to calculate the actual revenue, here it was already calculated. However, I will show you how it's calculated. So it's equal the reserve that we were already having, plus the increase. We're having increase by 5 rooms, okay? It means upgraded to superior ABC from executive suite. How much did the guest pay? $35. Okay. I will do the second one in order to show it to you. So it's equal what was reserved plus the increase. That means we're having 8 additional that were upgraded from junior to executive. And how much did they pay? Times $30. And like this, we can drag it, and you will see that we will have the same numbers. Also here, we're having the total sum. It means the total revenue, and I made it automatically to calculate the ADR and the RevPAR. As you can see, the RevPAR increased from 99.1 to 100.22. In order to see the impact of upselling on revenue, so we will do the actual revenue minus the reserved revenue. So as you can see, by implementing this upselling technique, we increased our revenue on a weekly basis by 1,965. In order to see it in percentage, we can divide the increase by the initial revenue that we were having. It means it increased by 1.13%. Also, in order to see if this plan was implemented for the whole year, the increase that we can have in revenue, it's 52 because we're having 50 weeks per year times the weekly revenue. So as you can see, from a minimum effort, you can reach $102,180 per year just by upgrading 58 room nights per week. And this is why it's important. And it's important to say that the upselling is the single most significant revenue management related effort that can be undertaken by a front desk staff upon guests' arrival at a hotel. And it doesn't require any additional arrangement. They also have the highest margin. Also, I made available the report that was published by GuestJoy. You can find it in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.